Why we are loading up on these two stocks. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be discussing two stocks that we have been loading up on and we will continue to add as long as they hold certain support levels, okay? One of them is WeedMaps, ticker symbol MAPS. That's the one we're going to get started with first. Remember, guys, if you're not following us on Twitter, please follow us at Investing OG. We give constant updates. We get constant information on stocks that have been upgraded, downgraded, and just information that'll help you in your trading, okay? Remember, guys, this is not financial advice, but this is just information on what we're doing. With that, guys, I wanted to step in here. Just wanted to give you a couple information on why I'm getting more bullish on these two stocks. These companies that I've done videos on before. But if you haven't seen those videos, you can always go back to our videos and just check them out and get a little bit more information, okay? One of the companies that I'm very bullish on is WeedMaps, ticker symbol MAPS. And as of late, as of these last couple of weeks, I've been noticing the trends ever since the name change when it actually went to MAPS. WeedMaps is actually starting to hold a nice support here, okay? I'll go to the 1 week on Robinhood here, but I'm going to show you a close-up on Webull. Just wanted to show you the 1760, 1770 support, and it's kind of been steady for the past week or so, okay? And it's been holding pretty firmly. I want to show you here on Webull something pretty interesting. I drew this line here, this yellow line that shows it's about 1760, 1770 support, okay? Now this support as of late has been holding pretty steady. And if you follow this support will go back all the way to back here, back to about March of this year, okay? Ever since then, ever since this, for the last couple of weeks, it's been holding the 1770 support, and it's actually been a pretty. I've been scalping this play here because it's been pretty firm. It's gone up, it's gone down, but it keeps holding and it keeps bouncing up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm thinking, guys, that this is going to end up going back up if it continues to hold this 1770 level, okay? 1770. Now, if you see it go under $17, I think it'll turn downward. But that 1770 level is being held pretty well. Very bullish on WeedMaps. I think they have a lot to offer. They're a profitable company ever since inception, guys. So ever since they've started, every year has been profitable for this company. That's very interesting because they are in the marijuana market sector, and as business continues to expand and as states continue to legalize, I think they're going to do very well, guys. I think you're getting a great opportunity to jump on this and make make some substantial money if you hold long term. Second company, guys, is Paysafe, and this company, as of late, I'm going to show you a little bit here. As of late, it's been holding the $12 mark. So anything above $12, as long as it remains above $12, I think is going to be bullish. Now you see this here, this gap up pre-market. This was about a week ago where it became, people on Reddit and stuff were talking about it. They tried to push it, it didn't hold, it came back down and then it went back up, and it's been steady ever since at 12. Showing bullish signs here. I think Paysafe is going to be a great company, guys. They deal with the payment processing, the gaming side, the digital side of currency. So I think they're going to do fairly well. I think they're actually undervalued right now. They just recently, a bank put a price target on them for about 15 bucks, but I think it can go a lot higher than 15. Now I want to look at their chart as well, and I'll show you here. This is what I'm talking about, guys, right here. This support level here at about $12. It hasn't been able to break down below it. I mean, it goes a couple of cents down, but right here is where I'm talking about. Right at the $12 mark, okay? There was a gap up. This was a gap up that we were just looking at, but ever since then, it's been holding 12. 12 seems to be a number it wants to stay above, okay? As long as Paysafe continues to stay above $12, I'm going to continue to add to this position. Currently, we are holding in this account here, in our Robinhood account, we are holding 400 shares and 5 contracts expiring till next year. Okay, and I think these contracts are going to be worth some money later. This can go up. This is 400. We have about 1,000 shares on Paysafe. I want to add more if it does dip, but for the longest it's been holding very strong above $11. Okay, for the longest, it looks right now like it wants to take the next step, the next leg up. With that, guys, I just want to give you this information on 2 plays that we've been doing, that we've been on for quite some time, and I think it's a good time right now to remember, it's not financial advice, but it's a good time if you want to add more shares right now, because I think these 2 plays are getting momentum, and I think they're going to go up very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Found any of this information informative, please remember to like, subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you can get these videos, and make sure you hit that like button, because that like button helps us a lot in terms of getting these videos out to other people. Okay, guys? With that, guys, hopefully you're having a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.